Power target trades, power trigger trade. Right, I got a plan here for AMGN. Before I talk about this AMGN plan, we know that on Friday, the market has we had one of the first strong down days in a very long time. But that doesn't matter, because what that is doing is creating a lot of great opportunity. One of the things I want to point out is I look at what's in favor all the time, what's the best stuff, and a stock like AMGN, this stock here is really in favor. And so let me talk about this stock here. And again, this is what I do. I make great plans for my serious followers on PowerGroupTrades. So let me show you all the facts. So AMGN is set up well for higher prices inside this video. I will explain the fact. That's right, people. So where I'm going to be posting this, the plan for AMGN and a few other hot biotech stocks that I like, is going to be inside of PowerGroupTrades. So let me show you this, how you can become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. Alright, people, so here I am on Power Trigger Trade. As you can see, confirmation is key. I make great plans. So let me show you something. See here, I have a pinned tweet. In this video, it'll explain you how to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. Now, how do you find PowerGroupTrades? Well, in your Twitter search bar, you simply type in Power, right? Group. You're going to see it's a locked account. I'm going to click on it right now, and there it is, right? And you'll see it'll look like Power Trigger Trade, but it's a new, but PowerGroupTrades it's called. Okay. Alright, so I'm here now back at Power Trigger Trade. And now what I do is I post a lot of great videos. I want to show you another great thing here. It's my YouTube channel. And you can see if you click on this, it'll bring you right there. So give me 1 sec. Alright, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post my powerful videos for Power Trigger Trade and PowerGroupTrades on Power Target Trades. It's all a unique group. Now, I also have very powerful information. This created playlist. You can see these great wins like the last GS large gain wins, Twitter, you name it, people. I make the plans. I post the confirmation in my Power Group Trades, and we make it in the dollar bills. All right, people. So I suggest you open up a YouTube account. I make live streams. See, this is my last live stream. I'm going to be making better live streams, but I make live streams that talk about our plans and ask questions and answer questions. And so you want to subscribe to Power Target Trades as I do live streams. If you have an account already, just simply click on the subscribe button. If you don't have, if you have one, or sorry, if you don't have one, open up a YouTube account and then come subscribe. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe, as you're going to see a picture of me in the video in a circle format, and I'm going to talk about it, and you're going to see it right now. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade here with a great reminder. I always tell people, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also make sure to watch this created playlist. My created playlist, you'll find it at the bottom of the page of the YouTube channel. A wealth of great information, people. And if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one and subscribe manually. But if you have one, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. People, we've been making amazing, great, detailed plans. You want to study and also come to my live streams that I try to do mostly on Wednesday. And any other time I announce it. That's why you want to subscribe to. You want to follow me on Twitter. And you want to find out how to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. But it's important. People, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!